coming back to my channel once again to check out another video. My channel is growing and I thank you guys so much for coming back every week and looking at the videos. I produce 2 videos per week on Tuesdays and Fridays at 2 p.m. Today I'm creating a unique wall piece. I'm going to spray paint this beige, and then I'm going to take this mirror, clean it off, and spray paint it silver. Then once I got it all spray painted, I'm going to put some glam glitter on the inside of this tray and glue the mirror on top. So let's get started. I'm taking this little piece of cardboard strip that I made and I'm going to glue it to the back of the mirror. Because of the way the mirror is made on the back, it really doesn't have a really good space for me to put glue to hold it down to the charger. They had plenty of dust on it. So let me go ahead and clean it first. I put a little bit more glue on there, especially on the ends, because after I remove the sticker, see, it has a little groove in there. All right, let me find something a little heavy and put on top of there and give that 24 hours to dry. In order to hang these on the wall, I'm taking a piece of wire that I got from Michael's, and I just twisted it to make a loop. I'm going to put some glue on the back of here. I'm going to put a little glue on the wire. Make sure it has a good hold. And put a piece of tape over it to hold it. Let that dry 24 hours. And that hook will hold this on the wall. And this is the wire from Michael's Ashland brand. It is 20 gauge and it's fairly heavy, kind of thick, so it holds very well. This is what I use majority of the times when I'm hanging items like this that doesn't have a hook on the back. Okay guys, I looked up and didn't realize that I didn't have my camera on, so what I have done is I've used a little Elmer's glue that I put down on here, and now I'm just sprinkling some glam glitter around it. I'm going to let that dry, shake off any loose glitter, put some more glue on top of it so I can seal it, and then I'm going to add this on the top. I added this to the bottom, so when I put it on the tray, it will sit up the way it's supposed to and catch the cardboard will catch the tray and hold it down. Okay, this is all dry. I sealed it with some more glue on top. And next I am going to add the mirror. And I am placing this on top, being careful to make sure that I have it lined up with the hook that's on the back, which is right up top there. And I'm going to set something on top of this. Make sure it stays down and gets in there with the glue. And it's going to turn out looking like that one. So after that dries, I'll come back and show you the reveal with them hung on the wall. And here is the reveal, guys. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. I appreciate you. And you all have a blessed, wonderful day.